Now if you want some volume in your hair, then absolutely, definitely, 100% Kali. I don't know if there's something called percent Kali, but yeah. Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, it's your girl Rita, and I'm so thrilled to have you here today. So today I am going to be showing you one of the other herbs that I use for my hair, and of course I'm going to show you how I use it. So if you want to see that, you know the drill, stick around and go nowhere. But first, if this is your first time on this channel, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Click the subscribe icon if you haven't. Also click the bell icon so that you are notified whenever I have a new video. You can also check out my other videos, and don't forget to drop your color comments. Okay, so straight into this video. I'm gonna go straight and tell you what this herb is and how powerful it is for topical use on the hair. So let's get started. Okay, so the herb I am talking about today is none other than the infamous hibiscus. Yeah, I feel so much joy when I talk about it. If you are in Nigeria or some parts of Africa, then you know they call it zobo. Zobo. You love drinking that thingy and then it will color your tongue. Yeah, that one. Okay, so hibiscus is definitely a herb, and it is definitely very powerful, and it does a lot of good to the hair. So I'm not going to tell you how I came across it or how I discovered that it was good for the hair, but it is absolutely amazing. So let's talk about some of the benefits of hibiscus now, shall we? So hibiscus is known to reduce grease in the hair and scalp. If your hair is greasy, you want to get rid of that grease in your hair, hibiscus is your go-to. Now there is a way I use it. I use it sometimes like a dry shampoo. I call it a lazy girl's guide to a healthy hair. Bam! I think that should be the title of this video. Okay, so jokes apart, it also balances the scalp's pH and it reduces hair loss. So if you're having hair issues, hibiscus is definitely one of the herbs that you should give a try. And honestly, I've been preaching about herbs. Yo, just try it. Okay, try it and let me know how it goes. As you can see, my hair is fuller than it used to be. I have very fine hair, so it means my hair strands are really tiny. But since I started to use herbs on my hair, yo, anyway, let me just leave that here. So if you're having any kind of hair damage, like I said, you want to use hibiscus because it contains a lot of amino acids, so it gets rid of any kind of damage that your hair must have been that your hair must have gone through, that your hair must have been through, or any kind of damage that must have in one way or the other gotten to your hair. So hibiscus is one of the I'm getting rid of the damage kind of remedies. Hibiscus is also known to prevent graying of hair. Yeah, that one is for sure. It also promotes hair growth. So if you want to grow your hair, definitely consider topical use of hibiscus. Hibiscus is good nutrition wise, so if you haven't tried it, you definitely should. I do a lot of it. Sometimes I think I'm even doing too much on the normal. That was way before I discovered the topical application of it. So I take it a lot inwards, and then when I discovered I could apply it on my hair scalp, I was like, "Go, you kidding me?" Yeah, so now I do. And it is awesome and amazing. It smoothens the hair also. And another thing it does is to get rid of frizzy hair and split ends. So if your hair is really frizzy, hibiscus is your go-to. If your hair is in a stage where there's a lot of split ends, hibiscus is your go-to. give it a try, and don't forget to come back and put it in the comment section. Let me know how you find this and what it did for your hair. Another thing hibiscus does is to condition the hair. And another thing it does is to add volume to your hair. So if you want some volume in that crown of yours, like this, yeah, it's a must try. Then finally, but not last of all, its benefits, the last point I will talk about today is that hibiscus is amazing for the scalp and the health of the scalp generally. It fights dandruff and it gets rid of itchy scalp. So if you have that itchy scalp, you know, if you have dandruff, flaky scalp, quick remedy, hibiscus is your go-to guy. So I'm just going to go in now and show you the process how I make my hibiscus tea. I use it mostly as a tea during the week before wash day. I use it mostly as a tea rinse, and like I said, dry shampoo when I know I cannot pre-poo or wash during the week. I use it as a dry shampoo. I do not in any way replace washing my hair with either pre-poo or using hibiscus. No, I just use it in between washes. So you want to think of that, because if you want your hair to grow and flourish, you have to keep it clean. So skipping wash days, not advisable. I am guilty, yeah, I admit. But sometimes it's just inevitable. So when you can, keep your hair clean. And if you have to, if you need a quick fix for that scalp, that dirty hair, yeah, hibiscus is your go-to. Okay, so without wasting much time and without further ado, let's go to the preparation and application of hibiscus hair tea on this crown. Yeah. Okay, so here are the ingredients you're going to need. I used hibiscus, added some cloves, added ginger, and then pineapple. Okay, so quick confession. I made this to consume internally, not for my hair. However, since I figured it was good for the hair, I decided to use it on my hair. So, bam, bonus. Alright, so quickly, cloves are great for promoting hair growth, thickening the hair, adding shine to the hair, preventing hair loss, and conditioning the hair. Also, it's great for scalp issues, it fights dandruff, and yada yada yada. Now, pineapple is great for thickening the hair, promoting healthy hair, and treating, itchy scalp. It also prevents hair loss. While ginger stimulates hair growth, treats dandruff, treats split ends, and reduces hair fall. So it's like a box of so many goodness in one. And yo, I don't regret it. Okay, so usually it is made in the same manner. If you want to consume internally, you make it in the same manner, and then after it has cooled down, you sieve and then add some flavoring and sugar and all of that. But I'm skipping all of those because I am using mine as a tea, daily tea. So you can consume hot, you can consume cold, whatever works for you. But if you want to apply it on your hair, if you have high porosity hair, please use it while it is cool. If you have low porosity hair, then you want to use it when it is warm or thereabout, but not hot, just warm. Okay, so yeah, basically that is it, and that is also you go in straight to application. For application, all I do is first apply it on my scalp, gently work it in, and then gradually I apply it to the strands of the hair from root to tip, as usual. Root to tip, basically just cover your whole hair in this beautiful tea. Now you don't have to use the the dried flowers like I did, and you don't have to prepare it this way. You can simply get the powder form, then steep it in some hot water, sieve, and then apply to your hair. You can also use as mask, or in any other way, mix with your conditioner, mix with your shampoo, whichever way works for you. But just find a way to incorporate this into your routine, and trust me, you are going to be thankful for it. That is the goal, I think. Yeah, that's the goal. That is absolutely the goal. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope that you have picked one or two things, or maybe one thing. Yeah, it should be one thing, because it's like using hibiscus on your hair. Or maybe two things, or maybe more than, because then I talked about the benefit. Okay. Girl, it's not time for that. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you've learned a couple of things, and I hope you're going to apply some of these things. Try it, and let me know how it was for you, or how it is for you, or how it goes for you. Just try it, and then come back and put something in the comment section so that others can learn and I can be updated as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Check out my other videos. Drop your girl a comment and click the subscribe icon if you haven't. And if you have, don't forget to click the bell icon so that you are notified whenever I have a new video up. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video, and until then, I remain Rita, and you remain colorfully blessed. Bye.